Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Catherine. Welcome if you are new. I make all kinds of videos on this channel, and recently I started collecting plants and I became a plant parent. So maybe you want to see plant videos from me. Comment down below, what do you want to see? Do you want me to make more book related videos, or you want to see how my plant collection is growing, or maybe you want to see how I learn languages. I am a language enthusiast and I've always loved languages, and I'm currently learning 4 languages, so maybe you want to see more of that. Just comment down below. And actually, I need to pre-film a bunch of videos because in 1 week my dad is going on summer holidays and we are renovating the kitchen, so he is gonna fully destroy the floors. So we're gonna have completely new floors, so it's gonna be very loud and I won't be able to film, so I need to pre-film videos for almost a month. So I don't know, just let me know, what do you guys want to see? And in this video I just take you along with me plant shopping to a big box store. We were looking for some items for our kitchen, and then we went to the plant section. You will see everything, and I actually also included some cleaning, so maybe you want to see how I clean, like clean with me, something like that. Just comment and tell me, what do you want? And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing so this channel grows and our family expands. So yeah, let's get started. First up, we walked through home sections. We were looking for some lighting for the kitchen and some new pots and pans since we are renovating the kitchen. And then we walked to plants section. Honestly, I was disappointed. I did find a few really cute plants, but mostly it was nothing special. I really liked this one, but I don't know, I didn't see the price. I mean, I did see the price, but I didn't see the title. That's what I wanted to say. A lot of blooming plants, a lot of anthuriums. I love anthuriums and I want to get one, but not for this price. And then a lot of hanging plants for balcony. Look at this really cute jade plant. And then, what is this plant? It was only 50 cents, but I don't even know the name of it. And then they have a lot of Alocasia zebrina. I love them, but I don't really have a space to put them. But look at those stems, they're so pretty. And then asparagus, a lot of hanging plants, pothos, also some ficus lyrata, some tiny plants, and again the big plant. I think it's philodendron, but I'm not sure. Please tell me what's the plant. And then some peperomia, some ficus. Yeah, just nothing much. This Hindu rope, but I honestly don't love them, so I don't even want to get one. And then they also have quite a few succulents, this bonsai, these really beautiful heart snake plants, I don't know, this Hoya, also a lot of fern, different Dieffenbachias, a lot of cacti, these white ones, and these heart snake plants, really cool. I mean, look at all of those cacti, so beautiful. And then they actually had a lot of garden flowers for like balcony and garden since it's summer and people are buying these things and growing them. Super beautiful flowers. I mean, look at those blooms. Look at these. I really love these. These are so beautiful, especially the peach colored. And then after lunch, I decided to kind of deep clean my room because I haven't done that in a very long time, and these things just had to be done. So I'm just washing everything with soda, apple cider vinegar, and water, and then just wiping everything down with a dry old t-shirt. So you can reuse items. They don't have to be very cute. You don't need to buy wipes to clean, you know, you can use things that you have. And yeah, I'm just washing lamp, and then I decided to wash the windowsill, and it was kind of gross, but I mean, it has to be done. I definitely don't do it on a weekly basis, even though I should, but you know, life gets in the way. So yeah, I also washed the window. And then I also decided to wash my balcony door because it was kind of getting gross. Yeah, and then I just took off all of the houseplants and just wiped the counter and decided to finally wash my dirty mirror. It's dirty every single day, but you know. And then the next thing that I decided to do was to take out all of my books and to wipe, because dust gets there. It's like books are like magnets, and I actually wanted to ask you guys if clean with me would be something you are interested in. I could definitely do that sometimes, you know, not often, but like, I mean, once every couple months. I don't know. I love watching videos like this. They motivate me to clean, so maybe you're also like me and you would like to watch them. Also, I do have book stacks on the back, but I don't really care how they look. I mean, when I get really nice bookshelves and a lot of space for books, I will showcase all of them and think and care how they look. But right now, the books that are back there, I just don't really care for them. Last two things that I did was vacuum and wet clean, but I didn't film myself wet cleaning because I thought I had already filmed a lot and that would be enough. Thank you guys so so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, please subscribe and like this video if you haven't, and I will see you very soon. Bye!